Welcome to Taxonomy Online Mathematics. We are on question 19 of June, this year, June WASSCE question. We are to find the value of y, which is this angle. So in the diagram below, the length of xy is equal to the length of yz, the length of yz. So that makes this triangle XYZ to be isosceles triangle. Alright, the angle 130 is given to us. We have to find this exterior angle. We know that if this triangle is an isosceles, that simply means that this triangle, as we have been given the size to be equal, it means the angle at the base is also what? Equal. So right away, I will say that let angle XZY, which is this angle, equals to angle YXZ. YXZ. This corner angle, let those angles all equals to X. So if these two angles are equals to X, we can say that we can conclude that from the triangle XYZ, which is an isosceles triangle, the angle here plus this angle plus the 130 should sum up to what? 180, the sums of the angles in the triangle. Good, so we have already indicated these two angles are labeled as what? X. So this becomes X plus 180 equals to 180. Good. You can see that x plus x can be computed to give us 2x. So 2x plus 130 degree equals to 180 degrees. You can see a very small linear equation here whereby the constant can be transferred to the other side. So holding on to my 2x, I am subtracting this from both sides. So here becomes 0. I'll be left with 180 minus what? 130. And obviously, our 2x will just be 50 degrees. 2x meaning 2 of the x that are giving us the 50. So I can divide through by 2 to get a single x. So 2x over 2, 50 over 2, x is just what? 25 degree. Meaning this angle here is 25 degree. This angle here is 25 degree. Right? Good. We are not asked to find these two angles. Our attention is on y. But after finding these two angles, I can see that this angle I am asked to find and the angle I just found are on a straight line. These two angles are on a straight line. So I can also use the property that says that angles on a straight line add up to what? 180. Angles on a straight line add up to 180. Therefore, y plus 25 degree must give you what? 180 degree. If I add these two angles, since they are on a straight line, I should get what? 180. So right away, keeping my y, 180 minus 25, all that I will have is what? Y equals to 155 degree. So that will have been possible answer D as the best option. So when a question is given to you, try to take out the information given to you, lay them out one by one, then use what you can remember to find what you are looking for. I believe this is clear. Good. Let's take the question 20 in addition. So question 20 and 21 is on this diagram. So we have this diagram that have angle at the center to be 150 and the radius of the circle, which will be here, is given as what? 4.2. We are taking pi to be 22 on 7. What are we finding? 1. Find the length of the minor arc. We know any circle that is drawn with a sector have a minor arc and a major arc. Minor meaning the smaller length of the circumference. Major, the longer length. So if you look at this is our minor, meaning the smaller length on the circumference, and this is the major. So this length subtend the angle 150. This length will subtend the angle 360 minus 150. Alright, so we are asked to find the length. We know length of an arc is given as theta over 360 times 2 pi r. 2 pi r because this is the circumference. An arc is on a circumference. Good. Putting in the values or to substitute, that become 150 as our angle over 360, 2 pi. You can't go there, so I still have to take my 150, 360, 2 pi, which is 22 on 7, then 4.2 centimeter as of the radius. Radius pi, 2 is a constant there. So with your calculator, you can get an answer. So this will cancel. I'll have 3 here, 5, 3 here, 12. 5, 2, 10. 10 times this will be 42. So 42 divided by 7 will be 6. 6 will go into 12 2 times. That 2 will cancel this 2. Will cancel the 22 to give me 11. So I'm only having 11.0 centimeter as my answer. And that will have been the possible answer B. So for this, I'm sure on your calculator you can compute this to get an answer to be 11. Whether you do the cancellation or not, you will still end up getting the same value as I had. Then number 22. This answer is a possible answer A, not B. It's A rather. Then this is area of a sector. We know we are referring to this all region as what? A sector. So that is a space occupied. So it is on the area. So area of the sector is still theta over 360 times what? Pi r squared. Pi r squared because this is the area. The sector is covering part of the area. The length of an arc is just part of the circumference. So keep that in mind. So this is going to be 150, 360 pi 22 on 7, 42.2, 42, 4.2 as in the radius, not 42. All right. So per this, we can still have our calculation to be, this will cancel, 3 here, 5, 3 here, 12. I believe within this will be 2 times 11. That 2 will multiply 5 to be 10. So 110. Then that 10 will multiply this to give out 42. 7 will go here, 6. 6 go here, 2. Then this will multiply this as if it is 42 times 11. That will be 462. Decimal point. I indicate that. Divided by 2. 2 go here, 2. 2 go here, 3 and 1. So area of the sector is just going to be 23.10 centimeter square. And that will be the possible answer D. The possible answer D for this. So when you are having the length, we use 2 pi r. When you're looking for the sector, area of a sector, we use what? Pi r squared. I believe you get the concept. Take a question similar to this, whether it's major arc or minor arc, and see if you can get an answer to it. This is still remaining Taxonomy Online Mathematics. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel. Click on the notification bell to receive notification anytime a video is uploaded. Like the video, comment, and share with all those of friends that may need it. See you in the next episode.